Hello everyone, welcome to EasyGanit. My name is Samir Sultana. So we'll continue with our top 100 CAT Quant question series, the most expected question. The next topic that I'm picking is modulus graph. Now in this, I will be taking questions which are based on the graph concept of modulus. Over the years, CAT is regularly asking questions from this topic. Modulus से normally जब भी question आता है, it's mainly based on graph concept. So I'll be taking 5 questions of modulus graph today in this session. Here is the first question. If you want to try this, you can have a look at it. This is question number 63, 64, take a look, 65, 66, 67. All these questions are graph-based questions of modulus. जिसमें आप सभी इन सभी questions में आपको graph बनाना आना चाहिए. Only then you'll be able to solve the question, right? Let's have a look at it. First question is finding the number of integral solution of the given equation. Now to solve this question, you should know how to draw the graph. See this guys. Mod x plus mod y less than equal to 4. Right? So to solve this, I want all the integral values which lies inside the region. Right? That means first I'll have to draw the graph of mod x plus mod y is equal to 4. Then all the integral solution which will be lying inside the region of mod x plus mod y is equal to 4 will be the answer. Okay, for that I want to make a graph of mod of x plus mod of y is equal to 4 first. Now how do you do that? Say this. We know that here we have positive x, we have negative x, this is our positive y, and this is our negative. Now in the first quadrant, you see that x is positive, y is positive. So this graph will be, both of these two mod will be open on the positive side. So the equation banega graph ka, line ka, that will be x plus y is equal to 4. And the intercept form of this would be x upon 4 plus y upon 4 is equal to 1. That means this line, right? Here x is 4, y is 0. Here x is 0 and y is 4. Now, when I come to the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. So, I need to open the mod of x with a negative sign and mod of y with a positive sign. Equal to 4. Intercept form of this would be x upon minus 4 plus y upon 4 is equal to 1. Take a minus 4 on x-axis. Right? Draw this line. This is the equation of minus x, graph of minus x plus y is equal to 4. In the third quadrant, both x and y are the negative. So both the modes will be open with the negative sign. So this will be minus x minus y is equal to 4. Then you can say that this is x upon minus 4 plus y upon minus 4 is equal to 1. On x we have minus 4, 0. Y we have minus 0, minus 4. Draw this line and this will be the graph in the third quadrant. Similarly, in the fourth quadrant, x will be positive and y will be negative, and you can draw this. So this will be the graph of this whole equation. Right? Mod x plus mod y is equal to 4. I want a solution which satisfies this, right? Equation which is mod x plus mod y less than equal to 4. Number of integral solutions. Now, you see that all those combinations of x and y, right, with both x and y are the integers, which lies on this region as well as inside the region will be my answer. Now, how do you solve this question? You see that how many points I have on this line. See that the first is 0 and 4, right? If I make x as 1, in this equation, if I say x is 1, y will be 3, x as 2, y as 2. If I say x is 3, y as 1, right? So you see that on this line, I have total 3 integral solutions, right? I'll have 3 integral solutions, right? Okay. Similarly, 3 integral solutions, 1, 2, and 3, right? On this. Similarly, there will also be a line which will be inside this region, and if I reduce the x and y by 1 unit, this will be having an equation of x plus y is equal to 3. Now x plus y is equal to 3 will be having how many integral solutions? If I put x as 1, y will be 2. If I put x as 2, y will be 1. There will be 2 solutions here also, right? If I draw another line, this will be x plus y is equal to 2 right? There will be only one solution x1, y1 that is equal to 2, which is on the line inside the region, right? I'm not taking the point which are on these, right? Which are on these lines, right? I'm taking the point which is inside the region or on these lines, right? The extreme points will be calculated later. And then I have next equation x plus y is equal to 1. There will not be any point on the line, right? There will be the points on the extreme, but there will not be point on the line, right? So see that if I look at the first quadrant only, the first quadrant have how many solutions? Now, if I count the number of solutions here, the first quadrant have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 solutions. Now, if I'm getting 6 solution here, I'll be getting 6 solution here also, 6 solution here also, 6 solution here also. So total number of solutions will be 6 into 4, that is 24. But these are the solutions which are on the lines, but not the extremes, right? जो extreme नहीं है, but lines के ऊपर है और region के अंदर है या फिर region के ऊपर है, extreme line के ऊपर. Now there will also be solution here. You can see that which will be on the extreme points of this line. 1 point here, 1 point here. So similarly, I need to count all these solutions also, right? Look at these green dots. Look at these green dots. These are also my solution which satisfy mod fx mod plus mod y less than equal to 4. How many solutions are there? 4 on this line, 4 on this line. So can I say I'll also be getting 4 on this line, right? Similarly, I'll also be getting 4 on this line, right? So 4 plus 4 plus 4 and 4 here. So total there will be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, right? There will be also 4 green circle here, right? And similarly 4 green circle here. There will be 16 more solutions. So 24 solution on the lines, 16 extreme solution, and then you can see there's also one solution which is exactly in the middle of it, which is the origin, which is the intersection of all these 4 quadrants. Right? Look at this solution also. So this is also a solution which is inside the region and will satisfy mod x plus mod y less than equal to 4. So this also needs to be calculated. So my total number of solutions will be 24 plus 16 plus 1. That means it will be equal to 40. 41 will be the right answer to the question. Okay, this is our first question. Now let's move on to the next question. Here you are supposed to find out the area under the curve. F be the set of all points xy in the xy plane such that mod x plus mod y should be less than equal to 4. Now we have just made the graph in the previous question. Mod x plus mod y less than equal to 4. Now let's not draw the graph again. It's simply every time you are supposed to make a graph of mod x plus mod y equal to it. This is the graph shape that you will have to make. These extreme points will be, this will be 4, 0. This will be 0, 4. This is exactly based on one of the previous year questions of CAM. This is minus 4, 0. And this will be 0, minus. That's the graph. Now, mod x plus mod y less than equal to 4. That means x, y are those points on the plane which satisfy this. That means x and y, both of these 2 points will be inside the region or on these lines, right? I need to take x, y inside any of these, at any of these 4 quadrants with these boundaries or on these boundaries because there's an equality sign also. Then if I have to draw the graph of mod of y less than equal to 2. Now, when I say that mod of y less than equal to 2, right? If I have to draw the graph of y is equal to 2, then you can see that y can be either equal to plus 2 or y can also be equal to minus 2. Now, y is equal to plus 2 is nothing but a line parallel to x-axis passing through y is equal to 2. Y is equal to minus 2 is nothing but a line parallel to x-axis passing through y is equal to minus 2. This is the graph. This is y on y is equal to 2. This is y is equal to minus 2, right? So this would be 0, 2, and this will be minus 2, 0. 0, minus 2. This point would be 0, minus 2, right? What I want is the area in scale unit of the region represented by S. That means which satisfy both of these. Okay. I want mod of y to be less than equal to 2. That means I need y to be less than equal to 2, that means it should be lower than this line or upper than this line, right? And it should also satisfy this. That means this is the region I'm looking for. Let me show you with a different. So this is the region I want to. This is the area that I want. Right? This is the region I have to find out. This is the area I want to find out. How do you find out that? This? You see that if I find out the area of this one region, I can multiply it with 4 to get the total area. What is this? This line is parallel to this line. So can I say it is a trapezium? And this line is also perpendicular. So I also know the height of the trapezium. All I need to find out is the length of the parallel side. Because area of the trapezium is half into sum of parallel side. Half into sum of parallel side multiplied by the height. This will give me the area of the trapezium. So let's find out the area of this region. A, B, C. Let's say this is the origin O. A, B, C, O. Find out the area of the region A, B, C, O. Multiply it by 4. You'll get your answer. Okay. For that, I need length of the parallel side. This length I know is 4. All I need is this length. For that, I need to find out the point of intersection of this line and this line. What is this line? This is x plus y is equal to 4. Now, when I put y as 2, x will be 2. So this point of intersection is 2, 2. Now, what will be the length of this? From x equal to 0 to x equal to 2, the length of this will be 2. The length of this is 4. Height is 2. So, what is the area? Half into sum of parallel side. 2 plus 4, 6. Multiplied by the height, which is 2. Right? This gets cancelled. So, answer will be 6. That's it. Area of this region is 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. 4 times 6. Final answer. 6 into 4, that is equal to 24. 24 will be the correct answer. This is exactly based on one of the previous year CAT paper question, but in CAT we were supposed to find out the region in which mod y was greater than equal to 2. That means we were supposed to find out the area of these two triangles, which you can also find. So examiner might ask you this region, right? Or might ask you this region. Beautiful question. You should know how to solve this. Right? 64. Now, question number 65. Again, the area enclosed by the graph of mod x plus mod y greater than equal to 4 and x square plus y square less than equal to 60. Have a look at the question first. Okay, write it down. Try to solve the question by yourself. Then you can watch the solution. Now, if I know how to draw the graph of this, right? I'm taking the same number so that we don't have to draw the graph again and again. Mod x plus mod y greater than equal to 4, right? This is the region I'll be having. Okay. Now this is 4, 0, right? Even if it is mod x plus mod y equal to 6, you just have to take this point as 6, 0. This is 0, 4, minus 4, 0, and 0. Now I want the region to be mod x plus mod y greater than equal to 4. That means I need that area which lies outside of this region, not inside of the region. It can lies on the boundary, but it should be outside of the region. Right? And then x square plus y square less than equal to 16. Now you see that x square plus y square equal to 16 is nothing but an equation of the circle, because equation of the circle is x minus x square. Standard equation of the circle is x minus x square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. H and k are the origins and r is my radius. Now here my origins are 0, 0 and the radius of the circle is 4. Now the radius of the circle is 4, right? Then you see that this is the circle that you will be drawing with origin as 0, 0. So origin are 0, 0. The radius is 4, right? And this is the equation. Now I want the region which is less than equal to 60. That means which should be inside the circle but outside the this modulus graph, which is in the shape of a rhombus. So I want this area, right? जो modulus के ग्राफ से बाहर होगा, rhombus से बाहर हो, but circle के, right? This is the region I want to find. So that means if I subtract the area of this rhombus from the area of the circle, I'll be left with this region only. So what is the area of circle? You see that area of circle would be pi r square. Pi radius is 4. That means pi into 60. And the area of the rhombus. Now, how do you find the area of the rhombus? You see that this, just find out the area of this triangle. What is this? Half into base 4, height 4. This is equal to 8. Now, this will also be equal to 8. This will also be equal to 8. This will also be equal to 4 triangles. Area would be 32. So, area of rhombus, you can also call it here. Right? Area of rhombus here is 32. So required area will be area of whole circle minus area of this rhombus, which would be 16 pi minus 32. So the final answer will be 60 into pi minus 2. This is the correct answer. That's the question number 65. Now let's move on to the question number 66. What is the area enclosed by this graph? Mod of x plus 4 plus mod of y minus 6 is equal to 40. Now you see this there. If the question would have been mod of x plus mod of y is equal to 4, then the question would have been very simple and easy. So, why? Because I know that mod x plus mod y is equal to 40 is nothing but this term, the shape of numbers. This is 40, 0, and this is 0, 40, and this would be minus 40, 0, and 0 minus. Right? But in that case, it would be very easy for me to find out the area enclosed by this graph. But the problem is, the question says it is x plus 4 plus mod y minus 6. Now, what are these plus 4 and minus 6 basically? See that in mod x plus mod y is equal to 40, I have the point of intersection of the diagonal is 0, 0, right? That is the origin of the graph. 0 and 0. That means when I put x as 0, this mod will become 0, and when I put y as 0, this mod will become 0. So here, the significance of plus 4 and minus 6 is nothing but the origin of it. Minus 4 and 6. That means if I put x as minus 4, this will become 0, and if I put y as 6, this will become 0. So minus x plus 4 and mod y minus 6 is nothing but a same sized graph, but with a different origin, and that origin would be minus 4 and 6. Now, if I have to find out the area of the graph, you see that minus 4 and 6 are doing nothing but shifting the origin of the graph. They are not changing the size of the graph. Size of the graph will still remain the same. Therefore, instead of drawing the graph of mod x plus 4 plus mod y minus 6 equal to 40, you can straight away draw the graph of mod x plus mod y is equal to 40, find out the area, and that will be the same area as this one. Because minus 4 and 6 will only shift my origin, will change the point of intersection, but overall size of the graph will not change by even 0.1%. So therefore, I'll simply draw the graph of this and find out the area. Area of this would be half into 40 into 40, 20. This is 800. Half into base into height. So this area will also be 800. This area will also be 800. This area will also be 800. Total area will be 3200. This is going to be your correct answer. Moving on to the next one. Last question. What is the area enclosed by this term? This type of question has also been asked in the previous year CAT paper, so you should know how to draw this. Again, take all the 4 quadrants of the circle, right? We know that here we have positive x, here we have negative x, here we have positive y, and then here we have negative y. Mod x minus y. I have to draw the graph of this. So first, I will open the graph in the first quadrant. I'll have to take 4 cases actually to answer this. The first would be the case when both will be open with the positive sign. The first case, both the mode are supposed to be open with the positive sign. In that case, my equation would be x minus y plus x plus y is equal to 20. So this is 2x is equal to 20. So I can say that x will be equal to 10. Now x equal to 10 is nothing but a line which is parallel to y-axis passing through 10. Second would be the case when both of the mode will be open with negative sign. Minus x plus y. minus x minus y is equal to 30. Let's get cancelled. X here will be equal to minus 10. X equal to minus 10 is a line, nothing but a line parallel to the y-axis, passing through minus 10, 0. Then you have to take a case where one mode will be open with the positive sign and one mode will be open with the negative sign. Y is equal to minus 10. Now, y is equal to minus 10 is a line parallel to x-axis passing through minus 10. This is minus 10, 0 minus 10. Right? It would be 0. Okay. Then the fourth would be the case when first will be open with a negative sign and the second will be open with a positive sign. Y will be equal to 10. Okay, y is equal to 10 is basically this line, 0 plus 10. And this is y is equal to 10 line. This y is equal to minus 10 line will be on this lower side, right? 0 minus 10. This is positive direction of y-axis. Right? By mistake, I took it as minus 10. Okay. Now you see that this is the point of intersection of this is 10, 10. Right? Now this is a sphere shape where length is 10, height is also 10. The area would be 10 into 10, that is 1. This area will also be 1. This area will also be 100. This area will also be 100. Total area will be equal to 400. Therefore, the answer to the question will be equal to 400. So I have taken 6 questions, right? That's it. The 6 questions have been covered. More topics will be covered soon. Right? You can refer to. So we have covered 67 questions till now. Almost all the topics have been covered. Right? Only 2 or 3 topics are left, which I will be covering by tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, share it with all of your friends who are preparing for CAT and other IBPS examinations. Thank you.